Today, we're making Lham Mfowar, a delicious savory dish of tender steamed lamb served alongside steamed vegetables. This dish is commonly eaten in Morocco around Eid al-Adha when lamb is plentiful. To start, you'll season lamb shoulder or neck with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Because we're using so few ingredients, make sure they're good ones. I'm using a beautiful single-origin Moroccan olive oil from Mina here. Once the meat is seasoned, place on a bed of sliced onions in the top portion of a couscousiere. The whole thing, it steams over simmering water that's been seasoned with herbs, tomatoes, and salt. Steam until the lamb is tender and falling off the bone, about 3 hours. Meanwhile, I individually steam carrots, green beans, and potatoes. Each batch is seasoned with just a touch of olive oil and salt before the steaming. Once they're cooked, I toss the vegetables with salt, pepper, garlic, more olive oil, and fresh parsley. For the carrots, I'm adding a bit of Mina Harissa here as well. Serve on a traditional plate alongside cumin and sea salt, and enjoy. This recipe makes a huge amount of food, so enjoy with your family and friends. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!